Hello, I'm Santiago, Senior Applications Engineer at Dwyer Instruments. Today, I'll be showing you how to wire a PBLT2 Submersible Level Transmitter to our MPCJR pump controller, and how to scale that MPCJR to a specific range for the PBLT2. Now we'll need to take care of the hard wiring. First, we'll connect terminal 12 to terminal 3 on the MPC. 12 and 11 are the 24-volt power supply we'll need to power the PBLT2. 12 is the 0 reference. And then we'll take 11, take it to the red on the PBLT to give it some power. And then we'll take our black on the PBLT to 5 on the MPC. This is the signal, the 4 to 20. Now we'll just need to bring some wall voltage over to terminals 19 and 20 to power the MPC itself. From here we have power. Now let's take care of the programming. First, we'll need to hold the up and enter key in for about 5 seconds to get into the secure menu. Once we're in, we can index through to our settings. The first one we'll need is our input. We'll have to make sure that's set to current, which it is in this case. Then we'll want to go to 0 sub. Off would be a 0 to 20 transmitter. In this case, we're a 4 to 20, so we're going to want to put that to on and hit enter to save. And then we have our scale low and scale high settings. So scale low, we want to set that to 0 in this case, because our 4 milliamps is a 0 PSI. And we'll have our scale high setting. In this case, we'll want about 11.5 for our top end. And then once we've set those, we can index through back to the main menu. And from here, our process should read 0 now, as the PBLT2 is on the table, outside of a tank. If you are in need of a left hanger for the PBLT2, add part number A-625 to your order. This makes it simple to attach a pull-up chain or for fixed installation to a pipe. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.